Ellii. Let's practice our pronunciation. Today, we're looking at the voiceless TH sound. This sound can be represented by the letters TH or by this symbol. Can you make the voiceless TH sound? Follow these steps. First, open your mouth slightly. Next, place your tongue between your teeth, like this. Then, blow some air out past your tongue. Let's try it together. Are you ready? Now, let's practice a few words with the voiceless TH sound. Listen and repeat after me. Are you ready? Thanks. Birthday. Month. The voiceless TH sound is always spelled with the letters T and H. Notice the spelling in the words thanks, birthday, and month. Great job. Well done. Ellii.